How often should you clean out your Outback Organics peelable wax heater? Well, ideally at least once a month. Now, because we all practice with a single-use spatula, it's not because of a hygiene element that we need to clean out our heater, but more a functionality. Our technology within our peelable waxes is polymer, and if you reheat over and over again, over time the polymer begins to weaken, which means it can't grab onto the hair as well. So at least once a month, if you try and use your wax down to the bottom of the heater, and then I'm going to demonstrate for you a quick and easy way to clean out your heater so that you can refresh your peelable wax and it will work brilliantly for you. So what I've done is I've preheated this wax heater up very hot, so it's like a liquid inside. So I'm having to use a wax strip. I cannot touch it with a bare hand, it's super hot. And I'm just gonna empty the contents into my bin. My bin is lined with couch roll to make sure that it doesn't burn through the plastic. So I'm just gonna tip that in. And just use a spatula to just help scrape any of the excess out. So next I'm going to put some equipment cleaner in while it's still very hot. I'm going to use a wax strip that can go in, and then just using my other wax strip because this will still be very hot, just using a spatula to push that all around on the inside. So just around and around, we're just trying to get it off the bottom and the edges. And then I'm going to be putting that strip now into the bin. And then we're going to keep repeating that with some equipment cleaner, another wax strip, another spatula. And if it gets to the stage where the wax is solidifying, just pop it back into your heater for maybe 30 seconds to a minute, just to allow the heat to soften the wax again. So once I've done this one, I can feel that my wax is getting a little bit tacky now. But we are getting there. So I'm going to pop mine into the heater just for about 30 seconds. And off we go again for round 3. A little bit of equipment cleaner. We can start cleaning the sides. I'm just going to tilt it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some equipment cleaner directly onto my wax strip. And I can start cleaning around the edges. I'm going to get in there now. Along the bottom. So this heater's just got a tiny bit of burning in the bottom, which is stained, but otherwise all deposits of wax are gone, and that's lovely and fresh, all ready for my new wax.